In my previous video, I taught you all how to upload your YouTube videos to get more views on your channel. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your short videos to get more views. Yes, do you know you can also convert your long form videos into short and attract a lot of views to your long form content? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your YouTube shorts correctly. I know a lot of creators will tell you do not upload shorts. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize your shorts and the right way to upload your short videos. See guys, it's not just creating a YouTube channel and uploading videos randomly. Anybody can upload their videos, but there are certain things you need to put in place before uploading your videos. And in this video today, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload your short videos to get a lot of views on your channel. I want you to take a look at this video. This particular video is about 1,000+ views right now as we speak, and it will amaze you that when I posted this video barely got 100 views. But when I uploaded my short correctly, I used it to attract a lot of views to my long form videos. So let's go straight into this video. If you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. You know how we do it. Go to the comment section. Make sure you support a creator. Genuinely support them. When I say support, I'm not saying just go subscribe and walk away. Make sure you like their content, you follow their content, you subscribe, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. It is free of charge, and don't forget to subscribe. So let me take you guys straight into this video. So we're going to be doing this step by step. Follow me step by step. This is going to be a very practical videos. And if you're already uploading shorts and you're not getting results, your shorts are not getting views, your long form videos are not getting views, you want to stick around and watch this video. First things first, we are going to be converting our long form videos into shorts, and I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to be using this app called InShorts. If you've been following my videos, you will know that I've talked about this particular app severally. So we're going to be using the InShorts app to be able to convert our long form videos into short videos. So let's do that quickly, and after that I will show you how you can use your shorts to get more views to your channel. So if this video is something you really want, sit down, relax and watch this video. So let's just go straight into the video. Alright guys, I want you to come over to your smartphone. So we're going to do everything using just your phone. So go over to the InShort app. So if you don't have that in your device, you can download from Play Store. You click on InShort, and this is what the interface looks like. So we're going to be converting our long form video into a short form content in a very unique way. So you click on video. I want you to follow me step by step. So you're going to see this part, it says new. So you're going to import that long video that you've created on your channel. So clicking on this new, let's get a long video. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to pick any video right here. Okay, so let me pick one video. I have a lot of videos in this device. Okay, so let me just select one video. So let me pick this particular one. So you click on good. So once you click on it, this is how the video is going to appear in this app. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, you want to play the video to listen to the parts you want to generate into a short form video. This is very simple, and we're going to be doing this in a very unique way. So follow me step by step. So you just play through your video, listen to the video. I want this video to be like 1 minute long, so I'm just going to be looking for the part that is very interesting. So you just come over here. It's already 1 minute long, so I'm going to split. So you know how to split now. Just come over here, you click on split, and you delete the remaining parts you don't want. So remember, when you're creating short form videos, at least you need to have like maximum 3 minutes long. Okay, so after doing that, now we're going to do something very, very unique. I want you to click on PIP. So we're going to be bringing in the thumbnail of this particular video we're converting into a short form video. So you click on PIP. Now let's get a thumbnail. You go to photo. Remember, you switch over to photo. Okay, so let's use this particular thumbnail. So once you bring this, it's going to appear like this. Now I want you to click on it, drag through the entire video. So drag it, just keep dragging until you get to the last part of the video. Okay, now this is very easy. This is a very easy way. Just adjust it. So I'm going to be taking this up, drag to fill up your screen. Okay, just to make your short video very enticing and attractive. All right, and after that, we're going to bring in another one, another image. So just get the same thumbnail. It should actually be the specific thumbnail for this particular video, because you want people to come and watch your long form video. So we're trying to create a short from a long form video. Now you drag, just adjust it. And guys, you can see what I'm doing. Very simple to achieve. We are not done. After this, I'm going to show you how to upload the shots correctly, the right way to upload your short videos. All right, so guys, you can see this is really beautiful. Then you drag through to the end of the video. Okay, so I'm dragging this, and once you get here, you stop. Okay, so guys, if you play this video, I want you to look at this. If you play this video through, you're going to see everything is going to be playing very normal. This is very simple. In less than 2 minutes, you have done this. So let's add a little bit of spice to this particular shirt. So we're going to be bringing in our caption. So you click on text. So once you click on text, you come over to caption. All right, so you can generate your caption. So for this particular InShot, I think you have to pay for the version for you to get free access to captions. But I believe for this particular InShot, if your video is just 1 minute long, you can have access to the free caption. So guys, if you can pay for the free version, let's go over that again. Just come over here, come to your text, you click on caption. So once you click here, it's going to generate the caption. Everything you're going to be saying is going to be in caption. Okay, so let's use the free version so you guys can understand very well. So let's make this video 1 minute, because I think the free version, your video has to be at least 1 minute long. So let me just split over here and take this off. So my video is about 59, you can see right there, 59 seconds. Okay, so go over to your text and you click on caption and you click on start. Okay, so once you click on start, it's going to tell you to watch a free advert. You can just go ahead and watch the free advert. All right, so this is for InShot. You can actually do this with any other device. You can do it with CapCut. So just watch the advert. So once you're done watching the advert, you can see here the captions have been generated. So just click on play. I want you to look
And
at this
guys, you can
video.
see right here. Let me bring this closely. This is the caption. So to make this to look very flawless, you can come over to where you have this pencil icon. You click on the pencil icon. So we just want to add color to this particular caption. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. This thing is very simple. And remember, practice makes perfect. So we'll click on this font and you drag, okay? So guys, if you play this video, let's go back.
This particular video,
So guys, you can see the captions,
the video
everything.
has
Let me just
died,
pause
like
this.
the
I don't
views
want to
are
play the
dead.
sound.
Now in this video today, I'm going to
Everything you're
show
seeing
you
right here
how to use
is
your YouTube.
playing, okay? So guys, you can see everything I'm saying. You can bring it down, you can drag it down, you can put it up. Just do it in whatever way you want, whichever way works for you. You can change the template if you want another template. Let's use this one. This one is nice. Or you can use this one, this yellowish one. A lot of yellow colors all around. So guys, you can see what I'm doing. This is very simple. So once you're done with this, the next thing you're going to be doing, you click on the export arrow at the top right hand side. You click here, you save. So guys, in less than 20 seconds, this is going to save depending on your connection and the storage of your device. Okay, so just give this some time. It's going to load up to 100%. All right guys, so after the video has loaded, it's going to automatically save into your gallery. That's your phone device. So we can come over here and search for it. You can see over here, this is the video. This is really beautiful, guys. So you've successfully generated a short form video from your long form content. Okay, now for you to upload this, you're going to go to your YouTube app. Remember, you can only upload using the YouTube app. So you click on the plus button right here, right? So we're going to be picking this particular short video we just created from our long form video. You click on it. So once you click on it, you click on next. Okay, there are a lot of new features that YouTube have added. You can see at my left hand side there is edit with AI, but this one was specifically trying to upload our shorts from long form videos to attract more views to our channel. So you click on next. Now once you get
I
here,
want you to look at.
let me pause this. I wouldn't want the sounds to distract you. So the next thing you're going to be doing here, we're going to go over to done. You click on done, and once you click on done, you guys already know the process of uploading your shot, but I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Okay, so guys, you can see this now. You see there's a part where you can add sound. For this particular video, we are not adding sound. Okay,
I want you to look.
so let me pause this. Then you come over here, you click on next. So once you click on next, some of you will just upload immediately. Now, take out your time to caption your shot. Very important. Let's say this shot is how to get views. So I'm going to caption this shot, how to get views. By doing this, you're not harming your channel, but rather you're giving more visibility to your channel by directing views from your short form to your long form videos. We're not done. Now, after that, you come over to where you have your visibility. You click on visibility. Now, for this part, you put it on public. Always make sure you put your shot on public. Okay, this is really simple, guys. Honestly, now you come down. Always make sure your videos are set. No, it's not made for kids. I always emphasize on this. If your videos are set, yes, it is made for kids, you'll be having restrictions, and that could be the reason why your video is not even reaching your target audience. So the next one here is description. A lot of you don't add description to your shorts, I know. So just go ahead and say, just get a very detailed description. You can use ChatGPT. You can just say this video will help you um get more views. So this for tutorial purpose, so make sure you detail the description of your shots very well. So this video will help you get more views. That's the description I'm going to use here. So you go back, and after that you just want to come over to the important part. Guys, this one is very important. You're going to click on related video. You see this related video, you're going to be relating it to your long form video. This trick a lot of us do not know. So let's click on this video. Let's say this is the video. You click on it, and guys, automatically, if someone watches this shot, it will direct them to this video automatically. And preferably, I would like you to use the video that you turned into shorts. Always refer them to the video you're talking about. So let's say you're talking about how to get subscribers, how to make a delicious meal. Let the video related be the same video you're talking about. Very important. And guys, this is really simple. So after doing all of this, the next thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and upload your shot. Guys, is this not simple? A lot of you do not take time to upload your shot correctly. So you can see I have done everything I need to do. The visibility is checked, the audience is checked, description checked, and guys, the related video, the most important thing, always do this, is checked. So if you're a beginner and you've not tried this, go ahead and try this. It's going to give you a lot of visibility and help you to get more viewers to your channel. So guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. I'm not going to upload this because this is for tutorial purpose. Okay, so do well to give it a like. Tell me what you think in the comment section if you're going to be trying this, and if you have questions, do well to ask me in the comments section. I'm going to try my best to reply to all of them. So guys, I'll see you in another video. Bye.